is
and where's the recording?
But I'm not using the Zoom. I'm not using the Zoom recording.
Oh, you
I'm
use
using another
Mobizen or
application.
what, Mister?
I'm using another application. Okay. So let's move on to our book, page 38. Okay,
And
page 38. Okay.
Okay,
I'm sorry for yesterday because yesterday things happened. So we're not yet finished with this one.
what is mean disappointed, Mister?
That's why we want to try to know about the meanings of these words in here. So I'm gonna write it down next.
Mister,
What is it, Winston?
did Mister disappointed after yesterday having
No, I don't. I didn't get. Maybe I got disappointed to
Mister,
myself. Maybe.
Mister, can I
What is
speak
it?
in bahasa little bit, Mister?
For what? Give me the reason why you want to speak in English.
For I
translating?
translate disappointed, Mister.
Go ahead.
Apa artinya disappointed itu kecewa, Mister?
Yes.
I know for
So let's
one
do it
time.
one by one, okay? Let's do it one by one, okay? Disappointed. Disappointed is when you feel like you're making someone's down, or you feel like you're just what can I do? I cannot do anything.
Yeah,
That's just the feeling of
I
disappointed. In bahasa kecewa. Okay. Now float. What is a float?
I know.
What is it?
What
I know,
like
Mister.
you are
Winston.
flying
Yes.
around like that.
Flying? I don't think it
No,
sounds like
Mister.
flying.
What is?
Mister,
Wait,
can
wait.
I expand in bahasa?
Maybe
Yes.
another student explain it to me.
I
Can
know,
I
Mister.
explain it?
Can I,
Go ahead.
Mister?
Try Winston. Try Winston.
Mister.
Winston.
Float is can I begin bahasa Melayu?
Okay.
Mister, can I make
Try
in bahasa?
explain it in English with the things that you know. Give me an example. Give me
It's
example.
like
Give me example. Try to give me example.
Float is
flying
flying.
astronaut going outside from the space station
Mister,
and
can I
Okay.
explain in
round,
bahasa?
flying.
No, let me ask you, do you know any kind of floating things that is on Earth?
I know,
Floating
Mister.
balloon?
Like lot.
I know.
Junzo, okay, Junzo, go ahead. What is it?
A balloon.
A balloon. That's right.
I
A
said
balloon.
balloon.
Did you say balloon or I didn't hear that you
I
said balloon?
said
Sorry.
balloon.
Yes,
Balloon is float.
Ship,
balloon is
Mister.
floating. So floating ship. Ship is also floating on the ocean. So balloon
Yeah.
ship
Can I?
is floating.
Float.
Okay, because they are floating, that means it's not flying. Flying makes energy. Floating in bahasa?
M
Yes.
Bahasa. I want to explain it in bahasa. Can I explain it? Okay. Mengapung.
Yes, mengapung. Okay.
Mengapung.
Sean. Sean. Sean, where are you?
I float.
Where were you just now, Sean? Sean? Sean, where were you just now?
Translating.
Taking a balloon. Where did you get that balloon?
Because Mister said the balloon, Sean is taking a balloon.
Yes, maybe it's because of that. Okay. Okay.
Please not
next time,
stealing from my.
Sean. Next time, Sean, listen to me first. Listen to me first, Sean. Sean. Next time, if you want to go somewhere, please ask me first. Please tell me first because I don't know. If you're suddenly gone and then I got angry because you're gone, I don't know when will that happen. So please tell me first, okay? So please let this be a reminder for all of you too. If you want to go somewhere, please ask me first, whether it's in chat or you speak it immediately to me. Okay? Okay. Next one, translate. What is translate? Can you explain something? Translate in English.
Translate is giving someone. You need to say but you say it with English word.
Try to explain it in English.
Is one language we translate to another.
So from one language you change it into another language.
Yes,
Yes.
is my mean.
Yes, Freya?
Menerjemahkan.
Yes, in bahasa menerjemahkan. Thank you.
Wait a minute.
If it's a meaning,
have permission.
if it's meaning, that's fine. If it's a meaning.
Okay, so I can say meaning.
But I want you to explain. I want you to explain it in English. What is it, Alexis?
So gently speak in bahasa 4 times, then what happens?
If you speak in bahasa without my permission, if it's like a sentence, okay, or maybe 2 words in bahasa, if it's not telling me the meaning of the word in English, then I will remove you if you speak in bahasa, right? If I already remove you 3 times, that means you are not allowed to join my class for the day.
So you will not be able to join your own class if I speak in bahasa.
Yes, if I accidentally
3 times, Mister.
if I accidentally spoke if I accidentally speak in bahasa 3 times, I will just give you home.
No.
But I think that probably happened.
No. Speak
Wait,
Indonesian
Junso.
3 times.
If I speak in bahasa Indonesia 3 times, that means I will remove myself. Yes, I want it to be clear.
Why your virtual background is
It's Rasengan.
Rasengan?
I know. Okay, let's continue. Okay.
Why do you know?
Yes, because I'm Wibu.
Okay, let's continue. Okay.
I'm Rasengan.
Because it looks like a Rasengan. Okay, let's continue. Okay.
Rasengan.
Let's continue. You already know what a ring is. In the planet, like in Saturn, there's a ring around the planet.
And I'm meaning, Mister.
No, now let's try with the universe. What is the meaning of universe? In bahasa.
Future.
Do you know the meaning of universe in bahasa?
Future.
No.
Me, Mister.
Simon, go ahead.
Bima Sakti.
No. No, not Bima Sakti.
Universe is angkasa.
That is space. Luar angkasa, that is space.
Mister, can
Yes.
I try?
Joanna, go ahead.
Universe is alam semesta.
That's right. That's it. Universe is alam semesta. When Simon said this word, okay, this I will make it in the bracket. This one, right?
Yes,
This is Milky Way in English.
Oh.
This Milky Way is a galaxy, which we have over here under the universe is galaxy.
Oh.
So galaxy is
Galaxy
a compound or a collection of lots of
the
stars.
definition of galaxy is galaxy.
Yes, that's right. Galaxy is just galaxy. So galaxy is like a collections of stars that circulating each other into the center of it. So our galaxy is Milky Way. There are lots of galaxies, but our galaxy is Milky Way. Okay. Now, how?
Bima Sakti
Yes.
is Milky Way and galaxy is Milky Way too.
No, galaxy is galaxy. Maybe in
Okay.
bahasa, it's just the writing is different.
Galaxy.
Yes, that is in bahasa. Okay, next.
Bima Sakti is Milky Way. I don't know
What is it, Julian?
Julian?
What is it, Julian?
I want to go to toilet, Mister.
No, I already told you. I already give you time for 5 minutes, right? So we are not yet 20 minutes over here. Okay, you will be able to go to the toilet at 8:30. Okay, that means 8 more minutes.
What is an asteroid?
Okay, asteroid. Asteroid in Bahasa also asteroid. Asteroid is like a
Is
rock.
meteor.
Asteroid
No, that's
is
different.
like
It's like rocks.
stone.
Rocks that is on space. That is in space. That is asteroid. Rocks that is in space.
Star.
And then it's big. It's sometimes as big as the moon.
Uh,
Still smaller than the moon though. Okay.
If the asteroid fall on
Asteroid is
Earth, we get
meteor.
or
No, asteroid and meteor is different. Meteor is a meteor.
Meteor is bigger.
Meteor is smaller than asteroids.
What?
Yes. So asteroid
It's so much bigger.
is a big stone that's almost, you could say it's could be as the size of the moon, while meteor or meteorites is smaller. If you can say that asteroid is this big as my phone, that means a meteor is as small as this eraser. It's just like that.
Is that small?
Okay, now let's move on. Okay, let's try to fill everything in here for the word.
What's happened when asteroids fall into Earth?
yeah, we did and we did.
It depends. It depends on what happened. Because until now, there's no recorded history about asteroid.
Punching Earth. There's no recorded.
Yeah, it's not yet recorded, I think. Okay, now, A, space, the region beyond Earth's. I told you, Julian. Oh, you want to poop? Okay, go ahead.
No. I get to pee. I go to pee, Mister.
Then 1 more minute. 1 more minute, Julian.
Okay.
1 more minute, not now, Julian.
My God. I want to pee.
It's just that he doesn't understand.
Julian, listening.
Julian is kind of.
Mister, did you just remove him, Mister?
No, I will not remove
Mister,
him.
I want to pee.
Wait.
You are Jonah.
Junzo, 8:25. Okay, wait, 1 more minute. Okay, so space, the region beyond Earth's what?
Then
What do
we
you think?
start this 1 minute now.
Yeah, it's 8:25. Go ahead, Junzo. Okay, so the regions beyond Earth's
Can
what?
I go
in here?
to?
2 people at a time. Okay, 2 people at a time. Okay, sometimes.
Star, what mean
go to-
region?
2 people at a time. Right? Is
Okay,
Julian
so
and Junzo
I have
already?
to wait 1 back and then I can pee.
Yes. Oh, Julian already came back. Go ahead.
Okay, I will go.
Okay.
Mister, I want to ask something.
What is it, Simon?
What mean region, Mister?
Region. Region means the area. The certain area that, for example, like we are in a climate, our climate region is tropical region. So that means in that area, it has the same thing. That is region.
Like iklim.
Yes, climate is iklim, region, the area of the climate. Okay, now, A, space, the region or the area beyond Earth's what do you think? Just try. There's nothing wrong.
Can I try it?
Go ahead.
Atmosphere?
Atmosphere, that's right. So it's beyond Earth's atmosphere. Do you know what is atmosphere?
I know, Mister. Atmosphere is like lapisan in Earth.
Yeah, it's
not
like
in Earth.
it's like circulating Earth. It's like something that's shielding Earth. That is atmosphere. Because of atmosphere, we have our oxygen, our air in here. Because if there is no atmosphere, everything will go in space, just like the moon. Moon doesn't have any atmosphere.
Okay.
Okay. Now, galaxy, a group of billions of
Stars.
stars and planets. Okay. Universe, everything, all the
Galaxy.
Galaxy.
galaxies.
Galaxies.
Galaxies. Disappointed, feeling
Unhappy.
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 Okay. Ring, it shapes like
Circle.
a
Circle.
circle. Good. Okay. Asteroid, it's made
Rock.
from rock.
Rock.
Poison,
Harmful.
to give someone or something a substance that is harmful.
Harmful.
Okay.
Harmful.
Why did I heard that when someone said
Right.
harmful, it sounds like hamburger?
Memorable.
Okay, seat belt. You put this on before you
Drive.
Travel.
travel. Look into the right. Look into the here, Alexis. It says
Oh,
travel
yeah.
over there. Okay.
Language.
Translates to change from words from one language to another.
Surface.
Float, to stay on the
Surface.
surface. So let me ask you: have you ever swim before?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
When you swim, do you
Mister?
float? Swim,
Oh,
swim.
yes.
When you swim, do you float or do you sink?
Float, mister.
I never float, mister. I never float.
You never float?
Mister, I'm swim in 3-meter pool, mister.
You ever swim in 3-meter depth pool? That's
Yes,
great.
mister.
Wow.
Yes.
And that's so deep. I want over there too. Okay, so float is like when you're swimming. When you're swimming, you're floating. If you keep on your surface, if you keep in the surface. But
That means I
if you go down, that means you're sinking, like a ship.
tenggelam, mister.
Yes,
Like a rock.
like a rock, like a ship that is
Um,
sinking. Sinking means tenggelam.
rock style.
Okay. Okay.
I'm float like this, mister, in pool. Whee.
Okay. Okay. Have you wrote this one already in your book with pencil?
Yes.
Yes. No? Yes?
Yes.
No?
I know.
Yes, no, yes.
Wait.
Okay. Please write it down. Claire Ansley, where are you? Claire Ansley. Nicole. Danis, your camera, Danis.
Mister, can I speak Indonesia one little bit
For what? Give me the reason.
for odd and but and one and odd and other else of odd.
Okay. Go ahead.
Apa, mister? Ganjil itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Sama genap.
Odd is for ganjil, even is for genap.
Oh, if the years is even is so fast, but
If
if
it's odd?
is odd is so
So long.
yes.
Okay. Julian, what were you talking about just now?
Stop. Stop is
Hmm?
we see them. We see them.
Okay. Okay, Julian. Thank you. Okay. Claire Ansley, where were you just now? I didn't see you in the camera just now.
I was asking my mom.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now, the thing is, Nicole is also not in the camera. Okay. Okay. Have everyone wrote this? If you have, I will erase it, and then we will continue to the next one. Not like that. That means I'm sorry that we are not going to read all of these. We don't have the
Mister,
time.
I don't want to read.
We don't have the time. We will read it after the mid test. Okay, I'm sorry because we don't have the time.
Okay.
I don't want to read this, mister. It's so long and so not
Okay, I already told you this one yesterday. Because
That story is very, very great.
okay, I already told you this one yesterday about comparatives.
Comparatives.
You already know about it. You already know about comparatives. Yes, but this one only for comparatives. There is no superlatives for this one. But
Okay.
we add another word in here for the comparative, which is less. I already explained it
Oh,
yesterday.
less is kurang, Mister.
Yes, in bahasa is kurang. I already explained it yesterday. Okay. So now look at number 1. Look at section 1. What is it, Simon?
What mean bulky, Mister?
Bulky. Okay, let's
Yes.
try one by one. Okay. Because we start in Uranus is colder than Earth. Who stop? Who just asked? Yes, Evander. What is it?
What is Solomon that?
What page is this? This is page 45.
45.
Yes, page 45. Okay. Okay, now Uranus is colder than Earth. We already know that it's the colder is the comparatives. Now this is my bike is less bulky than the orange cars. So which one is the comparatives for this one?
Less, Mister.
Less. Okay. Bulky. Simon asked what is bulky. Bulky means like you know Mr. Nanang?
Yes, Mister.
Mr. Nanang is bulky.
How durable?
That means bulky is so many in the inside is so many. It's like in bahasa is berisi. Not fat.
Like
Not fat, but it's more like that you have lots of things inside. Okay.
Okay.
Melin, go
Earth is
ahead.
more
Go ahead,
bulky.
Melin. Melin, if you want to go to the toilet, go ahead.
The Earth is bulky.
The Earth is bulky. Okay.
Yes.
Then
Okay.
Uranus.
Before I continue, can someone Nicole, are you there, Nicole?
Yes.
Where are you? I cannot see you. I cannot see you just now. You're like down there. What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing? I was calling you just now.
Yes.
Even before. Where were you?
I'm here.
But when I called you, you didn't answer me. When I said, Nicole, where are you?
I think my connection is bad.
No, I can see your camera. Your camera is just like that, and it's just you're not there. Can you please lower down your camera so that I can see you? Because I can only see
My
until
head actually.
yeah, I can only see until your head. So can you please lower your camera so that I can see? There we go. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Let's continue. Now the next one, this one is you already know is more. So for more and less, you always use the. I already told you, right? If you want to use more, if it's more than 2 syllables, more than 2 syllables, you use
More.
more, and in here you also use less. No, sorry. You only use more. Less, you can use it for any kind. So less big, less small, but you don't say less big, you just say smaller. This one, because it's bulky, bulky is using 2 syllables. It's supposed to be bulkier if it's more, but because it's less, that means it's just less bulky.
Oh, like Uranus is
Yeah, like Uranus is less hot.
than Earth, like that.
Less
it's
hot.
not that.
Less hot, not less hot.
Yes.
Less hot than Earth. Yes, Uranus is less hot.
Comparative. Sama supportive.
Oh.
Okay.
Uranus is less
Julian.
older than Earth.
One more time I heard anyone speak in Bahasa, I will remove that person because just now.
I'm not speaking.
Yes, yes, I know, but because just now several people just spoke in Bahasa.
Mister, why miss comparative
Okay.
comparative and superlative?
This is only comparative, Julian. There is no superlative in here. Okay.
Mister,
Yes.
the sentence tree is
Mister, can I go sharpen my pencil, Mister?
Go ahead, Alexis.
Encelat.
Okay.
What is
Now let's do.
Enceladus is?
Yeah, that is a name of Enceladus. Enceladus is the name of a planet that is not in the solar system.
Okay.
So Enceladus is a planet that found by the scientists, but it's not in our solar system. Okay, now number 2. Let's do number 2. Earth is.
Mister,
Less
what about
small,
Sweden?
less smaller. Small, less small.
Which one?
Earth
It's-
is smaller.
Look,
Small
look,
Is
look.
smaller is
Look.
superlative.
Look. You use that word. So that means Earth is more or less.
Earth is more watery
More
than Mars.
watery than Mars. Good. Now B. The weather on Earth is
Less.
more stormy or less stormy.
More stormy.
It is said it's much calmer here.
Calmer is what, Mister?
Calmer means it's so calm. It's so
Oh,
good.
Less
the
than
weather on
less.
Earth is more stormy than
More?
Jupiter
More
or
stormy?
Neptune.
It said it's much calmer here.
Oh, less stormy.
The weather
Less
on
Less.
Earth is less stormy than.
Yes.
Oh my
Okay.
God. I have to read that.
Okay.
Look at
For
life here.
C.
Okay, Earth is.
Wait. For C, I want to choose someone. For number
Is
C,
Simon.
we'll choose Tori. Where are you?
She left the zoo.
Tori.
Sorry, Mister, kepencet.
Tori.
Wait.
Tori.
Simon speaking bahasa, Mister.
Tori.
Yes. Simon just speaking bahasa, Mister.
Then I will remove you, Simon.
Simon.
Where are you?
Eh,
Where are you?
I'm
I need to find you. Wait, did he live by himself? He did live by himself. Where is Simon?
I can to tell Miss Devi one day.
Why would I tell Miss Davy for this? I already
I
told.
can tell Miss Devi.
Okay, Tori.
Yes, Mister.
Can you please, Tori, do number C, the 2C. Can you please do it? Number 2C, that one. Okay. It is said that Earth is blank than Venus.
Is
People can live.
tutorial how to remove
Okay,
apa?
Simon. Wait. This is Tori's turn. Okay. Earth is blank than Venus. People can live here. It says habitable. You can also look into your book, Tori. Okay. So what do you think? Is it more habitable or less habitable? Which one? More or less? Tori. More. Good. So it's more habitable. So don't worry.
Wait a minute. Story say
What?
less.
She said more.
I'm
Sorry,
She said more, not less.
I hear
Okay.
Tori say
Okay.
gimana, Mister.
No, she didn't. Come on, don't do that. Okay, she didn't do that.
I'm hearing.
No, she didn't do that. Okay, I will. Okay, thank you very much, Tori. Next one for D, I want to choose
Yeah, it's hard to take the word for hard cuts.
Let's try Evander. Evander, can you please do D? The D? Earth is blank, then Uranus. It's warmer because it's closer to the sun. Is it? It said in here it's. Oh wait. It said in here is icy.
Can I answer?
Evander.
No.
So that means is it more icy or less icy? Evander.
Icy?
Less?
Icy?
You said less or more just now? Sorry?
Less.
Less. Thank you. Less icy. That's right. Thank you very much. Last one for E. I'm sorry if I'm just picking those who doesn't talk much, okay? Because Winston and Simon always tell me the answer. Okay. Okay, that means last one, Sean.
Sister. What? What are you going to ask you?
Sean. What is it, Nicole?
My connection is bad, so I got it.
Okay, that's fine. Sean. E. Can you please answer E? From Earth, Venus is blank than Mars. It's the brightest planet in our sky. Which one? Is it more visible or less visible? Which one, Sam? Less visible or more visible? Which one is it?
Hi, Mr.
Julian? Julian?
What, Mr.
Not now. You're talking while Sean is talking. So which one is it, Sean? More visible or less visible? Less visible. Thank you. Okay. Well done. So this is
Mister,
what is it, Sim?
what mean visible?
You can see it. That is visible. Like this one, you can see me. That means I'm visible. But if I do it like this, I'm become invisible.
Oh,
my
is
God.
See? You cannot see me.
is
And now I'm visible
fire.
again.
Superpower.
I have a magic. For now, I am visible. And then boom.
Mister.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Do you have any questions until here?
Again, I haven't seen your trick.
Wait. Let me ask you. Do you have any questions until here?
What?
Do you
No.
have? No. Have you write this one? Have you write this one in your book with your pencil? Okay. I will wait until you finish writing this one. Okay. I will show you the trick again after this.
Trick too.
I will do it later. We still have 5 more minutes. So please write this one down. Okay. This is about comparatives with more, less. Remember about less. Okay.
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, should I stop the screen sharing?
No. Yes, Mister. I want to ask you a question, Mister.
What is it, Alexis?
What is orbit?
Orbit. Okay, let me just draw it in here, okay? Let's say this blue circle, okay? This blue circle, maybe I need to use I need to fill this one. Wait a minute. Erase that.
Visible and invisible is 5 word, Mister. Or
5 syllables. It's visible is 3 syllables. Okay, let's imagine that this circle is our Earth. We know that the moon orbiting Earth. That means circulating the Earth. Orbit means, that means I'm gonna use the red one. So it's just like circling the Earth. And this is the moon over here.
It's like Uranus. It's like
Why the moon
Uranus,
is red?
Mister.
It's like circling. So it's like, do you know the ring from Saturn? It's
Oh yes,
Yes.
it is
Mister. It's
made
like
of
that.
rocks. It is made of rocks and ice. It's not just whole ring like that. Those are stones, several
Why?
stones. That's
Why the
that's
color is
orbiting.
yellow,
Why the
Mister?
color, not the color, Simon? The
Why the
color.
color is yellow?
Because of the reflective of the sun. Freya, what is it?
Mister, where is Melly?
She said she wants to go to the toilet and then she's gone. With that being said,
Oh, maybe he do
Melin.
in the
I want to
something
check
else.
something. I want to check something. Okay, I want to check something first.
Why? What?
No, no, no.
What do you will check?
Melin, where were you? From the toilet? Seems like you're so long. You're taking so long to the toilet.
You're not going to the toilet.
If you
Okay.
doing XXX, you can.
No, I'm asking you, Melin. Did you really only go to the toilet, or you're doing something else?
I am really going to the toilet.
Okay. Then why did you take it so long?
Don't lie.
Why does it take so long for you to go to the toilet? What happened?
I have stomach ache.
Oh, you have a stomach ache. Okay, I can see that. Thank you. Okay, so that's it. Do you have any questions with this one?
No.
No. If you don't have any
Mister,
questions,
what is a hurricane, Mister?
a hurricane.
Hurricane is
Okay, a hurricane is like a storm, but
badai,
it's moving in different direction.
Not hurricane.
Okay,
tornado, badai.
Mas-
I'm gonna stop the sharing. Okay.
Yes,
Mister, wait.
Okay.
Mister, I have a question, Mister.
What is it, Joanna?
I have a question, but this was
What's up?
What the
Question.
legendary animal and the big animal is the question of Joanna.
I'm gonna stop the sharing.
This
Okay.
is the biggest animal,
And the legendary
animal is legendary.
You think this is a Pokemon that is legendary?
No. No. But it's the biggest animal and legendary.
The biggest animal and legendary. Wait, is this the real animal or not? Is this real animal?
legendary is like dragon or Pegasus, unicorn is legendary animal.
That is mythical
But
animal.
costume.
Right?
This animal is very big, Mister.
Is this a true animal? Can I know that it is on Earth right now?
Yes, is elephant Africa is.
No, that's not an elephant.
No.
I know the answer, Mister.
The
I know
biggest-
too.
Because I think the biggest animal is a giant squid. Okay. Before we finish,
habitable?
habitable means you can live there. That is habitable from the habitat.
So
Okay. Listen.
Mister, what is the
Listen.
answer, Mister?
Listen.
What is
Wait.
dragon?
Wait. Listen. You have your journal, right? You have your journal, right? So, after you're finished with your school, please do your journal, finishing it until unit 2. Okay? Because
It's a paper. Mister, so what is the answer, Mister?
Mister Julian is it, Mister.
Julian, why are you eating?
Sorry, Mister.
Mister, look my notebook, Mister. It's cool, Mister.
Wow. I think it's the
Hey.
one using mask. Yeah, I think it's you see dream and taking dreams. Motor. It's dreams model, right?
Finish?
Dream that
Oh,
means
not yet.
like that. You try to.
Shark. In here is a shark. Please.
Yeah, I know. Where is?
Where?
Oh, this is time to break. Why you Mister, talking? Mister.
Everyone calm?
And she's thinking
Oh,
you're
not
the
yet.
best.
Okay.
But then.
Finish? Can I explain a little bit? Okay, your journal. Okay. Your journal, you will do your journal until page 13. Okay? That
I
is your
don't have
journal.
the book.
That is your journal. For those who have the book, that is the journal until page 13.
Mister,
And then, and then,
lesson
and then, and then, you will need to take your
Oh my
worksheet.
god, you blind.
You will need to take your worksheet because I also want you to bring that journal to school to give it to me. Okay? So when you're taking your worksheet from school, you will also giving your journal to me. Okay?
I'm not taking worksheet.
That means you cannot you don't want to collect your journal, Nicole?
What, mister?
I want you to collect I want you to submit your journal.
53, mister. I don't understand, mister.
That's why I want to say it. But I kept interrupted by those someone. So this journal, you need to submit it to me. Okay? You need to give it to me, the journals. And you
I
can
don't have
give it
the
to
book,
me.
Mister.
If you don't have the book, then wait until you have the book. It's okay.
I did page 13. Page 13 with I put another piece of paper on top of it because
It's
later I think Max will want to use my book.
It's okay. It's okay, Alexis. So please submit your journal, and then also you can take your worksheet when you're submitting your journal. It is up to you if you don't want to take your worksheet, but I need your journal.
Did Mr. Iseker cast on cast no. Did Cam Iseker cast I see they won't take at page Mr.
Yes, Tori.
They want to know what? Think Iseker.
What is it, Tori? What is it, Tori?
I satu ini
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Mas. Jurnal apa, Mister?
The white book.
This one.
That is the journal. That is your journal. The white book.
It.
Okay. We're supposed to finish, but because there are those who speaks too much, I cannot speak at all. That's why we got late.
From page.
Until page
Then page?
13. Until page 13. The journal is until page 13.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry.
The end of the unit 2. Okay. So that's it for our lesson for today. Thank you, and then I will see you again next week. Bye.